Haven't had a chance to get back on this one yet. It's cabriolet body, grafted to a roadster nose. Pretty common back in the day. Model A frame, highly modified. 39 trans, a conglomeration of pedals in there. Big 6-inch gauge. It's in the garage. Early 21 stud. It's all rebuilt. Motor plate. It's got some cool stuff with this car that we were working on. It just sat, you know. It's a project the kids got in school. I got busy, and now it's getting rained on. So the cover rotted off. I saw these carbs sticking through the cover. That's an early Arco intake manifold. Cast iron. It's all welded up. That's the way they used to do it before they had aluminum intake manifolds. So we'll be getting back on this one soon. I better cover it up because it's starting to rain.